study table where management concepts are made easy. Press the bell icon so you never miss any updates from me. The story is about Myra and how she runs her business. Before we check performance for Myra's business is called financial statements. So now let's see the first financial. A lot of us have found ourselves asking the same question recently. What are cryptocurrencies and what is the hype around them? Investing early can give you a big advantage. Not only can you plan your investments, but also give them enough